Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drain fuel from a car tank. Before you begin, park on level ground and disconnect the battery to prevent sparks. Gather tools like a siphon pump, fuel line wrenches, a catch container, and safety gear. Ventilate the area, remove ignition sources, and plan disposal. Work methodically, keep a phone nearby, and stop immediately if you smell strong fumes. When draining fuel, choose a method that matches your comfort and vehicle design. A manual siphon pump is quick for small amounts and avoids dropping the tank. For larger jobs, disconnecting the fuel line at the filter or rail drains more fuel quickly. Removing straps and lowering the tank gives full access, but requires jack stands and extra hands. Always plug lines and caps afterward to prevent spills and contamination. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for hands-on jobs, keeps you hydrated, and has a leak-proof lid that survives being tossed in a toolbox. I find it handy during long repairs, and it fits most cup holders. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After draining, handle the removed fuel and contaminated materials responsibly. Use certified containers labeled for gasoline and never mix fuel with oil or water. Take used fuel to a hazardous waste facility or participating auto shop. Many accept small quantities. Clean any drips with absorbent pads and sweep up residues, then store soiled materials in sealed bags for disposal. Record actions taken for your own reference and local regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.